Brian Claypool, criminal defense attorney, with us this morning. Brian, you and I have spoken extensively about this case. So the detective talking about this testimony and the DNA evidence, not only found on a bicycle, but also some DNA evidence found in the bushes. You say this is damning. Can you talk a little bit more about that?
Yeah, hey, Adrienne, great to be back with you. In most high-profile murder trials, there is usually an aha or gotcha moment. And here it is evidence of Kaitlin Armstrong's DNA on the bicycle of Mo Wilson. What do I mean by that? The bicycle, Adrienne, was inside of Wilson's apartment. So allegedly, Kaitlin Armstrong grabs the bicycle, takes it out in the bushes, throws it in the bushes because her DNA is on the bike. That's important because that puts her inside the apartment at or around the time of the killing. It's catastrophic for the defense.
And then there was a note apparently deleted from Armstrong's phone.
Yeah, so investigators did a good job here. They went into her phone and they found, you know, on your iPhone, you can, I write a lot of notes to myself. Apparently, Armstrong deleted a note that had an address that was exactly next door to Kaitlin Cash's apartment where the murder occurred. Why is that important? Again, that puts her looking for the location of the scene of the murder and then combine that with the DNA on the bike. And then one other thing, Adrienne, is these shell casings. There were, I think, 3 shell casings.
I was about to ask you about that.
Yeah, that match one of the guns found in Colin Strickland's home. You know, that tells me that you know, if Armstrong did this, you know, she was a bit sloppy in leaving shell casings sitting on the floor.
Colin Strickland is the gentleman at the middle of this love triangle, correct? Just to catch viewers up.
Yeah, he is, and boy, he had a lot of sparring with the
press
prosecution
and the prosecution.
Yeah, exactly. Because, for give you an example, Adrienne, they found that on his phone he changed the name of Mo Wilson. He changed it to another woman's name so that if Armstrong looked on his phone, she wouldn't see anything between him and Mo Wilson. So that was, you know, that was damaging as well. You know, and it made it look like, you know, he might have been worried about Armstrong and how she would react. And that does help the prosecution's case.
And he stepped on the foot of one of the photographers outside of the courthouse while he was being escorted. I don't know. It just seems like it's a big emotional mess. These families going through a torturous, long trial, I'm sure. But even though it sounds open and shut, we'll have to wait and see what happens. Thank you very much, Brian.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.